Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Down but not out. That's the sentiment from experienced Reggae Boyz defender Adrian Mariappa after the team suffered their third defeat from 4 matches in World Cup qualifying yesterday. Jamaica's hopes of qualifying for the 2022 Qatar World Cup suffered another dent as they were blanked 2-0 by the United States in Austin, Texas. Here's Simon Preston.
The Americans, who were looking to extend their superior head-to-head record over the Jamaicans, had the bulk of possession, but the Reggae Boyz had a few promising moments in the first half. Tyreke McGee's effort in the 11th minute wasn't far from Matt Turner's net. Turner was busy a minute later as he produced a save from Shamar Nicholson. With 5 minutes to go before the break, Jamal Lowe, who scored against the Americans in March, gave more work to Turner, who pushed his shot away from goal. And on the stroke of half-time, Shamar Nicholson's header was steered wide of goal. These moments were the best of the lot from the Jamaicans in this game. And the Americans, who are unbeaten at home in World Cup qualifying to Caribbean teams since 1969, would make the Reggae Boyz pay in the second half. The breakthrough came in the 49th minute as an unmarked Ricardo Pepi headed the ball past Andre Blake. 13 minutes later, the 18-year-old Pepe returned for his second of the game to give the Americans a 2-0 lead. That was his third international goal in 2 appearances. The Americans searched for a third, but Anthony Robinson's effort was pushed over by Blake. This was Jamaica's third defeat in 4 games in the octagon. Head coach of the Reggae Boyz, Theodore Tapper Whitmore, says the second half performance was concerning.
Pretty decent performance from the Jamaica team, but I think after we conceded in the first half early, 49 minutes, I think we lost our discipline, and it was a uphill battle for us.
Jamaica remains rooted to the foot of the table with 1 point. But veteran defender Adrian Mariappa says it's no time to throw in the towel, as there is still 10 games to play.
There's plenty of games left and a lot of points to play for. Obviously, we want to get as many points as early as we can on the board, but like I said, it's a long road ahead, and we know what we're capable of doing. So obviously, still full of confidence and looking to put it right in the next game.
The Reggae Boyz will next be in action on Sunday against Canada in an empty national stadium. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.